I won a unicorn dahlia cutting on Facebook. I am so excited. So I just got some really exciting mail. So this is a cutting of a unicorn dahlia. So what a unicorn dahlia means is a very sought after dahlia, and it's a node, no ID or node. So I don't really know what it is, but it came from the Dahlia Cuttings Facebook group, and I'm going to open it for you, and we are going to watch this cutting grow into a beautiful plant. And I won it. So she was only choosing 3 or 4 people out of 1,000 people on. I was excited. I won it. I don't win very many things, but let's open it up. Let's see what we got. This is exciting. Oh! So I kind of tore into it because it was hard to get into, but look how beautifully packaged it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Good job. Some sort of clamshell. I think berries were probably in it. So I'm going to show you how to pot this up inside. I'm in the car, so I'll be home in just a few minutes. And I'm so excited to see what this grows into. Thank you so much, Alicia. And she did this out of the kindness of her heart. She didn't have to choose anybody, but she chose me. So now that this gorgeous thing is in my house, I'm going to open it up and pot it up. And I will keep you updated in another video on what it ends up being. Thank you, Alicia. You did such a good job. You must have experience sending dahlia cuttings through the mail. I don't. I'm pretty new to dahlia cuttings anyway. Oh, this is so exciting. Even taped this section in. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know what type of dahlia it's going to be, but look at this beautiful rooted cutting. Isn't this beautiful? I have a cup with drainage, and then I'm going to fill it halfway up with some potting soil. And then I'm going to take this cutting, take the plastic off, stick it in there. And then I'm trying to decide if I'm going to put some humidity on it or not. I think I might put it under my propagator. Okay, I got all the tape off of it. And now what I'm going to do is make a hole in this potting mix. And we're going to put the cutting right in there. I got my husband to help me. Thank you so much. So I put a hole in the potting soil, kind of a section that I can put this cutting in. And I don't want to disturb the roots too much. Can you see the roots? I'm so excited. And then you stick that right in the center. And then you kind of build the soil around it. So I am going to give it some more humidity even though it is rooted, because I want it to have its best life. So I'm going to label it unicorn, which means, and then I'm also going to write from Alicia, but I can't remember how you spell your name. So I'm sorry if I spelled it wrong. Okay, I want to put it in this propagator because this one has been doing the best of all of them. So, let's see if we can fit it in here. That Mango Madness didn't make it, but the rest of them look pretty darn good. Look at this Mango Madness. Look how much it's pushing. The Kilgi Ann looks amazing. This one, I don't know about that one. But basically, what we're going to do is we're going to make room for it. It's a little bit taller, but it's okay. So then I'm going to stick it back under my humidity dome. This came with croissants. It's just a cheap humidity propagation station. I have a heating mat underneath, and I have a grow light above. Grow, baby, grow. Okay, keep watching and I'll keep you updated. Bye. Okay, it's the next day. I have decided to take the humidity dome off of my unicorn cutting because it already has roots. So I was talking with Alicia on Instant Messenger and asking her opinion, and because it's already a baby plant, I don't think I need the humidity. I am in a desert. I did leave it overnight once in the humidity dome, but I think I'm going to take it out and just have it on heat and under lights. That way it grows to be a beautiful plant and I can put it outside in a month. And this room is keeping the rest of my dahlia cuttings pretty good. So here's a dahlia cutting. I don't have a label on it, but I did the same thing. When I was trying to get it to root, I had it under the humidity on a heat mat, but then it started rooting and I was able to pot it up and put it in one of these regular places. So let's take this out of the humidity dome and not be so stressed about it. It's because it's so expensive and I want it to thrive that I'm taking extra precautions, but maybe I don't need to. So here she is, so beautiful. She did just fine last night. So I've decided I'm just going to put her under the lights. So I'll have to, can you do that with one hand? Not really. I'm going to put her on heat under a light. There you go, baby, grow up. Okay, now I'll give you an update in a couple weeks. See you later. Like that dot on my nose.